Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear and a good deal. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2018 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.